Welcome to This Is My Architecture. I'm here today with Owen from Cevo. Owen, do you want to tell us a little bit about Cevo?
Sure. So Cevo is a consultancy that specialises in modern IT practices such as DevOps, BA and QA.
Fantastic. Great to have you with us today. And I want to talk to you a little bit about an amazing service and an amazing name called Potato Cannon. Do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so Potato Cannon is essentially our immutable, disposable CI/CD pipelines that runs on ECS and EC2.
So that's fantastic, Owen. Thanks for that. Do you want to give us a run through about how Potato Cannon actually works?
Sure. So what happens is it's all defined in CloudFormation. So what we have is a developer would commit their code into GitHub and that will push the changes into a Jenkins master. And what they will do is it will subsequently spin up a worker sitting over here, and that only takes a matter of minutes to spin up. And so that would pass on the job and they'll run whether the build or deployment, and they'll extract artifacts from Artifactory or CloudFormation from S3 and basically do the work and then produce a build, and then it will spin itself back down again.
Great, that's fantastic. So you have immutable infrastructure and you're spinning this up and down. How would that impact the ability of your customers to improve their speed of deployment?
Yeah, so what it allows you to do is when a new team wants to adopt this tool, all they have to do is take a copy of the CloudFormation, basically fork a copy of it and basically start it up. It also helps them lower the cost of adoption because they don't have to try to acquire or procure physical servers.
Now, I imagine as you're firing up some of these workers, you need a number of instances. Are you doing anything fancy there?
Yeah, so we're running it on top of ECS and we're running them on large instances. So the idea is we have using ECS pending tasks, basically scale up the containers as and when is required.
Could your customers make use of spot instances in this as well?
Yeah, and that's what we're doing. So we use spot instances to basically keep the cost down as well.
Right, so that's really helping to drive that cost and that barrier of entry as low as possible. And what benefits are your customers actually seeing from deploying this solution?
It means that they're able to get started a lot faster, so basically helping reduce the cycle times. So we've gone from many, many weeks to basically get productive in a matter of minutes because you're able to spin it up on CloudFormation.
Wow. So that's like a quantum leap in their ability to accelerate some of their deployments. That's fantastic. And how do I integrate this into my existing environment?
Yeah, so what it has is it uses Active Directory. So it means that it's another step that people don't have to jump over in order to get access to Potato Cannon.
So you could integrate with my existing Active Directory?
Yes, completely.
And what if I don't have one?
So we could spin up something on AWS Active Directory services because it's completely agnostic of what security solution it uses.
Oh, so you could integrate with my existing infrastructure in Active Directory, or you could even spin one up for me using AWS Active Directory.
Yeah, completely.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's a great solution. Thanks for talking to us today, Owen. Thanks for watching. This is my architecture.